What's up?
Ghost Gang family, what is up with y'all young boys today? I'm coming back at y'all with another video. And yeah, man, like I say every time, we coming back at y'all with some more shoes, some more heat, to talk about some more heat. Now, I don't know if y'all too hip or not about a very limited shoe that is coming up March 10th, man, the top of the spring break month, which is March. It is March 1st currently, man. Shout out to all my spring breakers that go on break right now. But anyways, man, before we get this video started, man, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description. I will also leave my Twitch link in the description, and make sure y'all go follow my Twitch. Man, I be lit on Twitch, my nigga. I just gotta get my face cam. Once I get my face cam, bro, we gonna be lit on Twitch, man. I'm gonna be giving y'all story times, all the exclusives over there. So we gonna be having some sneaker talks, all that, while I play 2K and you see me drop niggas off. But anyways, that's besides the point, my nigga. The shoes I was referring to at the beginning of the video is the Air Jordan 3s Seoul. Now you can say Seoul, I don't know, man, but I looked up how to pronounce the words. They say Seoul, you feel me? So I'm gonna just say Seoul. Fuck, man, I don't know, man. That's how you pronounce it. That's how they say. That's how you pronounce it. But anyways, it's the Air Jordan 3 Seoul, and they will be releasing March 10th. Now I don't know the price point because, you know, like in Korea, in Korea money is like different. So, but anyways, they're going to be releasing exclusively in South Korea, and they're not going to be releasing outside of South Korea. And the only other way you could probably get it is on Nike.com Korea. You feel me? So that's the only other way. Other than that, you SOL unless you got a Korean plug. If you plugged in like that, my nigga, hey, shoot for the stars. But you know, normal niggas like me, casual shoe Jordan buyers like myself, we out of there, bro. We out of the picture, man. These shoes is far gone, bro. But anyways, man, these are hard, bro. These is probably one of the hardest threes I've seen, like, in recent memory. Oh, despite the Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield Air Jordan 3 that he wore on Super Bowl Sunday, bro. Hey, Justin Timberlake, bro, them bitches was fire with the Nike Tech on the side of the Jordan 3. Oh my god, man, them bitches was so fire. But anyways, man, this shoe that is dropping on March 10th, the Air Jordan 3 South, pretty much it's the 30th anniversary of Michael Jordan Epic Dunk Contest. Also, it's the, you know, conclusion of the Winter Olympics that was in South Korea. So it's just a special shoe, I guess, just for the country, you know, which is pretty dope. It's just for them personally, and like us Americans can't get it, which is it's fucked up. But man, it could at least had a little bit of a limited run in the States. You feel me? I would have accepted that. But anyways, man, as you see, dog, on it has the Korean flag on the right toe. You feel me? And it also has in Korean embroidered on the inner tongue. It has the 1988 Olympics motto of harmony and peace on the inner tongue. So it's really dope. It got some really dope features, dog. And in my honest opinion, bro, this is a very well crafted shoe. And whoever has these, bro, whoever could get these, bro, hey man, hit my line, my nigga. Hey, it ain't no price point, man. Hit me up on Instagram at MajorKixx. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, hit me up on them DMs, bro, because I'm looking to give them, man. If you give me a good price, if it's a plug out there that could get their hands on these, I don't want no foo-foos, my nigga. I don't want no foo-foos. You feel me? I don't need no foo-foos, my guy. I just need some legit pairs. If you could get a pair, I know it's gonna be hard because that bitch is in South Korea. That's tough. That's gonna be tough to get. But if you can, man, hit me up on the DMs, bro. Holla at me at MajorKixx on IG. You feel me? But yeah, man, these, like I said, man, these are probably one of the best, you know, best design threes I've seen, man, in a minute. Despite the Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield collaboration on Super Bowl Sunday, but these is right up there with them, with probably the top 3 of them. But anyways, man, if you guys could cop, if you guys were able to cop these, would you cop these? Is these a L or W for the year of 2018? Like I said, man, we only taking W's 2018. We ain't taking no L's. You did. We only copping nothing but hype sneakers. You feel me? We ain't copping no generals. I don't want to cop no generals. Nothing but hype. I told you I'm on my hype beat shit this year. If you see me review a shoe on here, it's gonna be on some hype B shit, but it ain't gonna be on no normal general release shit. Unless I really mess with the sneaker. But anyways, man, leave in the comment section if you copping or dropping, if you were able to, which I'm pretty sure a lot of us are not able to because it's so far away. But make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the kid. Make sure you smash that like button. 50 likes on this video for the next one. And until next time, it is the one and only MajorKixx gang.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. You. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it.